everyone, and welcome back to the Super Shed. I hope you all are keeping well and looking after your families. Today it's a very special story for Sophia. Sophia, I hope you enjoy this story. I wonder which one could it be? Dun dun dun! Our special story today, especially for Sophia, is Do You Have My Purr? Oh mother, cried little kitten. What's the matter, my little one? Why are you crying? Oh mother, I've lost my purr. You'll find your purr, little kitten. Just wait and see. Oh dog, dog, do you have my purr? Woof woof, said the dog, licking his bone. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my woof. Why don't you ask cow? Oh cow, cow, do you have my purr? Moo, moo, said the cow, flicking flies with her ears. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my moo. Why don't you ask pig? Oh pig, pig, do you have my purr? Oink oink, said the pig, sniffling in the straw. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my oink. Why don't you ask duck? Oh duck, duck, do you have my purr? Quack, quack, said the duck, splashing in the water. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my quack. Why don't you ask mouse? Oh mouse, mouse, do you have my purr? Squeak, squeak, said the mouse, nibbling cheese in the barn. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my squeak. Why don't you ask sheep? Oh sheep, sheep, do you have my purr? Baa, baa, said the sheep, munching in the grass in the field. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my baa. Why don't you ask owl? Oh owl, owl, do you have my purr? Hoot, hoot, said the owl, blinking his big round eyes. I don't have your purr, little kitten. This is my hoot. Why don't you go back and ask your mother? Oh mother, wailed little kitten. Nobody has my purr. Dog doesn't have it. He has a woof. Cow doesn't have it. She has a moo. Pig doesn't have it. She has an oink. Duck doesn't have it. She has a quack. Mouse doesn't have it. She has a squeak. Sheep doesn't have it. She has a baa. Owl doesn't have it. He has a hoot. Oh mother, I've lost my purr. You haven't lost your purr, little kitten. Come here and I'll explain. Your purr is inside you when you're happy. Listen, little kitten, listen. My purr! Oh mother, I found my purr. It was here all the time. So little kitten curled up and purred and purred and purred. And that's the end of our story today, especially for Sophia. I hope you enjoyed it. So looking forward to more stories from the Super Shed soon. Bye.